Before I eat, I'm gonna show you. We just received it, and we're going to my neighbors. They have a forklift, and we're gonna take it off because this car doesn't have wheel. You can see it yourself right now. Go, let's go. Yeah. I think it's gonna be right now a hard time to take it off the car because it's the car kinda messed up, you know. Okay guys, I hope
nothing crazy, yeah.
Crazy,
it looks kinda crazy, but not too bad.
But I don't know, to be honest, I don't know.
How you feel, man?
You know what? I feel good. I think. No, the thing, like, I hope frame not gonna mess up. Frame is main thing, you know. I don't care about door, you know, like. But let's check it out. The thing, I never see this car before. I bought it through Cooper, through internet, you know. It's like over it, right? Or
no, because
wow,
it's right there.
Rear diffuser. Wow, the rear diffuser is carbon fiber, dude. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Guys, like and subscribe, please. Please like and subscribe. Real life exotic. After remodel, our shop is gonna be look sick, you know, sick video, nice, good content, you know.
Man, pay the guy. He said it looks all good. Wow, full carbon.
Шестое 2020. Okay, just pay for tow for delivery. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, dude, look at this.
It's carbon
fiber. Whoa, dude. Carbon fiber door panels. Oh wow, what is this?
Took something apart?
Oh, it's piece over here. I think they try to. Okay, they try to close the roof. I think. Yeah, they try to close the roof. Dude, look at this. Dude, center console is carbon also. My goodness, dude.
No money, man. I checked.
You check. Oh, license plate here, so we don't have to.
We don't have to register.
Yeah.
We're registered.
Where's the car from?
Ohio?
Ohio, yeah. 2019 is. Oh, it's already
expired. Is there a key?
Oh, where's the key? Tell me as the guy. No key.
Everything carbon fiber.
Yeah, everywhere carbon. Look over here, carbon. Dude, this car is
We have to wash it, dude. It's crazy
Huh?
dirty.
What's up?
Crazy dirty. Check this out.
Yeah, it's dirty. Carbon or not? Look, carbon, dude. Everywhere carbon. Diffuser carbon, dude.
Okay, let's see something. There's some parts in the trunk. Let's see what do we have. Okay, wheel.
What? Dude, rear arm also broken?
You think
Or
so?
it's not
no.
from this car?
No,
It's not from Ferrari.
No,
Why is
this
here,
not.
dude?
Shit,
Oh
dude.
my goodness.
Radiator.
That's aluminum.
Radiator.
Radiator.
Значит, радиатор.
Oh.
Bro, okay, what is this?
Look, Range Rover.
Hey guys, if you guys need it, we got some Range Rover
This part is giveaway.
giveaway.
Giveaway. Huh? Yeah, we don't need it.
You guys need it? Hey bro, Range Rover, dude. A Ferrari. Radiator.
Only one. What we need is both, but it's okay. Just take it. You know.
Thank you,
Take
brother.
it.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
What is this? Empty.
Empty, yeah.
What is the key?
Где деньги?
Okay, that's for license. Or wheels is bad. I hope brake rotor is good, dude. I hope.
Because, oh yeah, I think it's
Look,
good.
it's good, dude. Brake
It's
rotor-
good?
No, it's clogged. Oh no, it's clogged.
What is that, like 2000?
Oh look, axle. It's
Front?
not-
This is not
This
from
is
this
not
car.
from.
Ferrari.
It's not from Ferrari, dude. Front box is good, but it's bended a little bit. This headlight is good. Man, caliper is good. Wheel not good, but it's fixable.
Nope. Not fixable.
What is the key?
Wait. Ferrari 480.
Yeah, key. Hey guys, let's open it.
Let's see what's inside.
What's inside? Oh my goodness.
Oh. Fresh.
Ferrari key.
Okay, man.
Oh, somebody touched before.
Scratched up.
Yeah, a little bit.
You think it'll start and run? I think it should.
Oh, look at this receipt.
What?
They give receipt for. That's how much we bought it for. 2,600, guys.
That's good. Man, this thing is dirty.
But usually this driver is good guy. But usually people steal this thing. You know, you can sell this thing on the eBay like for, I think for $2,000, right?
You think?
Yeah, something like that. Whole thing.
No, but there's no toolbox. Where's toolbox?
Look what I find.
Okay. What is that?
That's the toolbox. This is the toolbox.
Everything in there? You can just put everything.
Maybe something. Maybe somebody put in
Some cash.
some surprise for
Oh
us.
man, white gloves
White
for us to
gloves.
work with it.
Yeah, for us, Ferrari gloves.
No, it's not. It's not bad.
It's good deal.
It's very good deal.
It starts. No.
Starts?
It sound white, boy. Sound it sound white, boy. Sound it sound white, boy.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.